Kani gade ka Patisi TV.
Kini gede ki Samla Pule jong Shalong Law College. Ki balapan pau ke jing bitar halor ke jingle bam sutnyo jong ki bor penya jong skol ba North Eastern Hill University Nehu. Ban ajuba ya ke jing pan jing pensha jong ki bar ke jing dawa jong ki. Ha ke je kendo ba kinong pathai ke bor ne ke sngi ka arpra trik unai weng. Ha kamra trikam jong Student Bar Association jong Shalong Law College. Ha pok je lam jong President Samla Peter ai bor lang dokrot. Kini ki Samla ki la penramjor ya ke jing bam sutnyo ki bor jong skol ba Nehu. Kibam Samla Patiaw ki mat jing dawa jong Samla kiba Pule LLB Shillong Law College wala kini Samla po kalama jong Student Bar Association kali IT ki mat jing dawa syakani school ba lakat tu kan netayo menchwa mat kal balakot ro ka jing aipor hadu kachanski ka balakot no ha arsan trek mentaw nai weng kimat bakong san jong Samla Pule ka Shillong Law College ki don lightly baro bakan thop ya ka jing dawa ban khampan kloi ha ka bakmi ba jurep ki kot tho examen jong Samla bat ban permi ya ka result ha ka por ka babiang nang ta kamat ka baar ba kalong banjure bat khmi bnia bai ki kot tho examen jong ki Samla ki ba Pule law Shillong Law College bat kawai pat kalong ban a ya ka internal marks ya ki Samla Pule LLB jong ka Shillong Law College kumbalong ha ki wai pat ki school ba akari India hi borok kawai.
We have given very clearly in this demands that only within 15 days he has to answer us, give us an assurance if they want to take any action, if they have any answer, whatever. But they have bypassed this. They have not done. They have not replied us within 15 days. Till now, they keep silence. We are really surprised. Do the controller, do the authority in Nehu, which means they don't have any interest on the students, they exist there for us or we exist for them? This question must be asked. Whether Nehu authority exists for the students or students exist for the authority. Because when we place this matter, this grievance, which is the violation of our rights, and until now they don't take any action. They have not sent us a message, they have not called us, they have not done anything. Because they don't care about us, they don't even listen to us. If they listen to us, they should have asked us, they should have called us, or should have sent a message to us. Now 15 days is over by 25th of this month. If they don't take any action to solve a matter, to give us a rights, we will go further. Whatever might takes, to agitate or whatever might takes, we will go and demand till we get our rights. So this is the point, this is the message that we want to send to Nehu. Don't take us for granted. We are here in this college, we are here with this profession course, not that we are incompetent, we are incompetent people. We will take the matter further till we get our rights, wherever it might take.
Kitkhot jong ka Students Bar Association jong ka Shillong Law College kila peram joru ye kinong penya jong ka skol ba Nehu halor ka jing bu tarek ban pelong examen man ka por kisngi badai kisngi syuti dang menta ka snam ru kladan kitarek ki bakas skol ba Nehu kalabo ye kisngi ban pelong examen ha kisngi bakar pang jong kari India hi borak we kata ha kisngi syuti ka badai kisngi bakar pang jong kiri ngai Islam ka badai kisngi ka ba kiri ngai Islam kile niam id badang sen ka jing pen banaru ban pelong ye examen ha ka pratrek ubnano pra banwan kabadai kasing syuti namar kahima khairem hakni kasi ka perlong ikale niam pomblang.
They don't have that competency in that administrative block to work, I presume. Because why? In the last semester exam, they have fixed exam for the students on national holiday and state holiday. That is on last July, that is on 7, which is due to it. And then on 12th July, which is due to Batting Club, and 21st July with some other holiday. They have fixed on these dates, and they have shifted these exams. Law exams are not like we study in the college, might be in the high school. It's something which is different. And they have shifted this exam consecutively, continuously on 26, 27, 28. And the students find really tough. And some of them, they have to stop not to write other papers because continuously these 3 papers they have just come in and fixed it on the same 3 days, on the 3 days. So I think Nehu should take it seriously, should not take they are employed there, we call them public servant, right? We call them public servant. If we are called them public servant, which means they are there on duty to serve the public, which means they are on duty to serve the students. And they don't do this. And otherwise, if they are very competent enough, they don't have the intellect to check before they fix the time for exam, that they even fix exam on the national holiday and the state holiday. Not even the last semester, even this semester on 8 December they have fixed exam for a student, which is the state holiday, that's Chat Nongkrem.
Kani Gadega Patisi TV.